Hey PS5 users, stop before inserting that game disc, because doing it wrong could cost you over $200. Why this happens? This usually happens to people who keep their system vertically, because the PS5's disk drive is on the opposite side compared to previous PlayStation versions. On the PS2, PS3, and PS4 Slim, the readable part of the disc faced the thicker part of the console, but on the PS5, it faces the thin side. When placed horizontally, the disk drive is at the bottom, making the correct placement more obvious. But even then, always place the disk label facing up. How to insert a PS5 disc correctly. Number 1. Always place the disc label facing the power and eject buttons. Number 2. Keeping your PS5 horizontal makes it easier to insert correctly. Inserted it wrong? Don't panic. Step 1. Wait a few minutes, then press eject. Step 2. If that doesn't work, restart your PS5 and try again. Step 3. If worst case, use the manual eject option with a Phillips screwdriver. Now you know how to avoid this costly mistake. Drop a like, leave a comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more PS5 tips.